Mesdames, Messieurs, permettez-moi tout d'abord de vous remercier pour votre invitation à cet événement, qui porte sur un sujet essentiel pour toutes les Européennes et tous les Européens. Le marché intérieur est une réussite majeure de l'Union européenne. Nous devons protéger son fonctionnement, puisqu'il est le moteur de la reprise économique. Sadly, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a strong impact on the single market. Diverging public health restrictions and border controls have affected millions of jobs and families. The Commission has therefore worked relentlessly to foster coordination among Member States to lift barriers to our fundamental right to free movement. The Council recommendation on this topic that was adopted last October has been a useful tool, and it remains a solid framework to work with. This is one of the lessons that we learned from this crisis. More than ever, we need to work together. We need a strong coordination between the Commission and the Member States to provide for a common approach to the challenges of limiting the spread of COVID-19. Unilateral decisions restricting freedom of movement cause fragmentation and disruptions to essential supply chains and transportation. They jeopardize the EU's internal market. To avoid this, we need targeted, proportionate measures, not blanket border closures or travel bans. In cases where problematic restrictive measures were in place, we engaged directly with Member States to find solutions. Our work was already successful in a number of Member States. Where problems persist, we will continue our outreach to national authorities for more coordination. But at this stage of the pandemic, we also need to forge an effective and lasting path towards reopening and recovery. This is why the Digital Green Certificate is an important political priority for us. It will provide citizens with a reliable and safe tool when they travel during the pandemic, and equip Member States with a trusted way to verify certificates from other Member States. The Digital Green Certificate will thus make it easier to wind down in a coordinated manner the COVID-19 restrictions in place. Our goal is clear. We want to have this system up and running by the end of June, to be operational for the summer. And I'm very happy to see that Member States are committed to this project. The Commission is encouraging the European Parliament and the Council to strike a political compromise in May. In parallel, we are preparing the rollout of the technical infrastructure. Testing will start already this month. We are progressing well, and I want to thank you for providing your support for this project. To conclude, let me assure you that protecting the single market and all fundamental freedoms is a priority for the European Union. With the Digital Green Certificate, we can begin again to trade and move around with ease. We will start to rebuild the economy while ensuring the highest standards of public health and safety. We are determined to act for all businesses to soon have much better times ahead. Thank you very much.